students, in Zoom class I finished 6.4. So now I'm going to start 6.5. Before going to 6.5, Happy New Year to everyone, right? So I hope you all enjoy Happy New Year. Now we came in next year, that is 21. So in that 21 year, this is the first class for us. So find the cube root of the following by prime factorization method. So first one is 343. So 7. Only prime numbers are taken as 7. 7 4 is 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34. So that is 7 4 is 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 5, 6, 7 is a 60. 7 9 is a 60. So 7 9 is a 60. Next. 7 7 is a 49. Next. 7 1 is a 7. Now here 7 into 7 into 7. So what is the cube root means? 7 cube. So 7 cube is a 343. Therefore 343 cube root is equal to 7. So in this way you have to finish up all problems. 729, 1331 and 2744. So that you will do your own. Next, find the cube root of the following numbers through estimation method. So what is the estimation method here? Already this type of estimation method is in previous exercise also. You do that own. And the next one is find the cube root of the following numbers through estimation method. You can do, or else I'll say one example for you. Only one problem I am going to explain. Remaining all you do your it. Second one. Find the cube root of the following numbers. Find the cube root of the following numbers. Through estimation method. So what is the number? This given number is equal to solution. Nine two six one. What is the given number? 9261. So what is the first step here means? Start making groups. Start making groups of the 3 digits. Starting from the units digits. So that is, first you have to group 9, 2, 6, 1. This is a number. First what you have to do is start making groups of 3 digits. So how you have to make from here to or this side? Always you have to group it from one's digit. So one's digit is this. So ones, tens, hundreds. 3 digits you have to make one group. So draw one line and write here 9. So 3 digits we form one group. Now the second step, first group is 261. Will give us the unit digit of the cube. So as 261 ends with 1, its cube root is also ends with 1. So the unit digit of the cube root will be 1. See here, if the number is started with 1, so if it is cubic number also, it gives the answer is 1. How? 1 cube is 1. In the same way, in textbook is, here the numbers are there, steps are there. You just go through with the steps and you follow. So now take second group. What is the second group? First group in 1 is there. First group for you have to take this 1. 1 cube is nothing but 1. Next group in what is the number? 9. So take that second group. So this is the 9. Next one is, now we know that 2 cube, 9, 3 cube. So this 9 is 3 cube and 2 cube middle, this 9 is there. So 2 cube means how much? 8. 3 cube means how much? 27. So that 9 is middle of this 3 cube and 2 cube. So as the smallest number is 2, it becomes the tens place of the required cube number. So already this 1 is given this way. The steps are here. So by seeing these all steps, you have to finish up this full problem. And the next one is state true or false. In this true or false, you can do your own also, even though once I will explain you. Cube of an even number is an odd number. So what is a cube? Cube of an even number. What is a even number? Take one even number 2. So 2 cube means 8. So this 8 is even or odd? Even. But what is your answer? So the answer is odd they given here. Cube of an even number is an odd. So if you do any even number cube, the result is odd they are saying. So that is false. So the result is always even. In the same way you have to finish up. A perfect cube may end with 2 zeros. So here the answer is false. So what is the true answer means? It becomes even number only. If the even number cube you are doing this, your result will be even number. So they did not give an even number, they given only odd number. So that's your answer is false. And the next one is second one. A perfect cube, suppose, okay, listen. A perfect cube may end with 2 zeros. Suppose 0 cube means last how many zeros will be? 3 zeros. But as per your question, they are saying that 2 zeros. No, there won't be 2 zeros. Because 0 cube means 0 into 0 into 0. How many times you do also, the last will be 0. Only 1. So here in question they are saying 2. So now this is true or false means false. The answer is only 0. It won't be 2 zeros. And the next one is, if a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 5. Yes. Suppose 5 cube. If you are doing 5 cube means the last digit will be 5. 5 into 5 into 5. See, 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. So as in your question said, if you do 5 cube, the last digit is 5. So that is true. Next one, cube of a number ending with 0 has 3 zeros at its right. Yes. How many times if you multiply also, and the last cube number means 3 zeros. 0 into 0 into 0. So the last is 0. Whatever given in the textbook, that is true. In the same way you finish up this all. And next and the last one is, find a 2-digit number which is square number and also a cubic number. You have to take any 2-digit number. That 2-digit number should be a square number and cube number. You have to find out the number. What is that number? You just think of. So you have to take 2-digit number. 2 digits number. That 2 digits number may be a square root and it should be a cube root. What is that number you have to make? Suppose you will take 64. That is 8 8s are 64. Now cube number is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So this 64 is a 2-digit number which is having square root and cube root. I hope you all understood. So by this I finished my 6th chapter full. So you have to finish up. Right? So already I said in Zoom class 6.4 and 6.5 also now I finished. If you are having any doubts, so just you ask in Zoom class, but don't waste your time. And one more thing is, see, this what we have discussed, this is all very important. You have to finish up. This estimation method also very important. It will come for 4 marks. All the 4 problems you have to do very easily. First, you have to take 2 groups. So you have to divide it into 2 groups. First group, second group. First group with the 3 digits should be there, and the second group also. If you are having second digit also 3 digits, let it be. You form one more group, third group. So here in this last digits you have to take and you have to keep here. And next one is in the second group in only single digit is there, 9. Okay, take this 9. So this 9 is nearly to which cube root? 2 cube root, 3 cube root. As I said in before problem. In the same way you have to finish up this all, right? 6.4 also everything I explained in the Zoom class, right? Now I am going to leave. I don't want to give so many problems to you now. Thank you.